an hour trying to get that perfect pattern, knowing that one tiny slip up could trash the whole project? The Spirograph wasn't just an art kit, it was a trainer for cognitive flow, that state of total immersion where your skill meets the challenge and distractions just fade away. In a world designed to shatter our attention, we've lost the ability to stay in the loop. We're constantly slipping our gears. But the Spirograph taught us focus through rhythm. Once you find that pattern, you find the flow, and that's where the best work happens. So here's the Gouge. Find your rhythm, hold the line, and don't let distractions slip your gears. And to level up, choose one task today and give it the defined Spirograph Flow, a focused 10-minute window with a single clear objective and no interruptions. Remember, your childhood was training. Time to get back in the loop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. This is Flashbacks to Life Hack. You've got the Gouge in your Level Up Challenge. Now hit subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.